in a massive security scare, the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal was attacked during his Padyatra in South Delhi. A man was detained for allegedly splashing some liquid on the former Delhi CM. Kejriwal can be seen greeting people while standing behind a cordon while the man approaches him and splashes the liquid on him. The attacker was swiftly overpowered by the security personnel and taken to the local police station. The Aam Aadmi Party is now lashing out at the centre, blaming the BJP for orchestrating a bid to burn Kejriwal alive. Addressing the media hours after the attack, the Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj flaunted what he claimed was the BJP membership card of the attacker.
पहला शक तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी पे ही जाता है। ये लड़का अशोक कुमार है। इसका फेसबुक प्रोफाइल हमने आधे घंटे के अंदर ढूंढ भी लिया है। इनके फेसबुक प्रोफाइल पे इनका भारतीय जनता पार्टी का आईडी कार्ड भी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ये औपचारिक सदस्य हैं। आज दिल्ली हार रहे हैं, बौखला रहे हैं, तो हमला करके जिंदा जलाना चाहते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को। स्पिरिट में भिगो के माचिस लगा के आग लगाना चाहते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल को।
So this was the big charge that was made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Other leaders in the Aam Aadmi Party have also amplified the attack on the BJP and have called it a reflection of the BJP's frustration as they expect a defeat in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections.
देखिए, बीजेपी ने आज अपनी ही निम्न स्तर की राजनीति के रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लगातार सवाल उठा रहे थे दिल्ली की चरमराई हुई कानून व्यवस्था पे। वो तो अमित शाह जी ठीक नहीं कर पाए, पर सवाल पूछने वाले अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पे अटैक करवाया है। क्या कोई मामूली व्यक्ति हो सकता है जो एक पदयात्रा में जो चरमराई कानून व्यवस्था के खिलाफ निकाली जा रही हो, उसमें एक पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर कुछ पदार्थ फेंक दे? ये सारा श्रेय भाजपा से मिल रहा है उसको, सारा संरक्षण भाजपा से मिल रहा है उसको।
ये जो है घटना जो की हुई है बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और बीजेपी की हुई करतूत है। ये बीजेपी जब भी हारती है वो ऐसे करती है। चौथी बार हारने जा रही है तो अपनी करतूतों पे फिर से वापस आ गई है। जिसने भी जो इंक फेंकी है वो तो अब पता लग चुका है वो भाजपा का कार्यकर्ता है, उसकी फोटो में आ चुकी हैं। तो ये सारा काम बीजेपी ने किया है और बीजेपी को ऐसे कामों पे नहीं जाना चाहिए। इलेक्शन लड़ना है तो आप इलेक्शन की तरह लड़िए ना। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने काम अच्छे किए तो आप उनसे अच्छे काम कर लो, दूसरे राज्यों में उनसे अच्छा काम कर लो। आप काम तो अच्छे करेंगे नहीं, आप दूसरे लोगों से कभी इनके डलवाएंगे, कभी कुछ कराएंगे, कभी कुछ कराएंगे। तो इस तरह की राजनीति चलती नहीं है, गलत है ये बिल्कुल।
So while the Aam Aadmi Party is pointing fingers at the BJP and questioning the centre as the Delhi police functions under the Union Home Ministry, the police have issued a statement saying that there was adequate security deployment for the Padyatra that was organised without any permission. The attacker, identified as Ashok Jha, a bus marshal at the Kanpur depot, is also being questioned about the motive behind this attack. This attack on Arvind Kejriwal comes ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections due in February, and swiftly reacting to the attack and allegations, the BJP has condemned the development but said that it was the outcome of the public anger. They say that the Aam Aadmi Party is facing consequences of broken promises.
देखिए, जब कोई भी नेता या कोई भी व्यक्ति पदयात्रा में जाता है तो जनता बहुत नजदीक होती है और पदयात्रा के समय हर व्यक्ति पे सुरक्षा और कड़ी जांच के बावजूद भी ऐसी घटना कई बार हो जाती है। लेकिन उस व्यक्ति की गलती है कि उसे ऐसी घटना नहीं करनी चाहिए, उसे अपने सवाल पूछने चाहिए थे। ये घटना इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण हो जाती है क्योंकि जनता के बीच में बहुत रोष है। गलियां टूटी हुई हैं, नालियों भरी हुई हैं, दिल्ली के अंदर प्रदूषण का लेवल बढ़ा हुआ है और जिस तरह से वृद्धों और बुजुर्गों के साथ में राशन कार्ड और अनेक योजनाओं पर आम आदमी पार्टी फेल रही है।
हमारे अध्यक्ष श्री वीरेंद्र सचदेवा लगातार कह रहे हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल की अब हर चाल, हर राजनीतिक चाल फेल हो रही है। तो अब वो अपनी उस सबसे पुरानी चाल पे जाएंगे जिसमें उन पर थप्पड़ चलता है, स्याही फिकती है, और आज वो हो गया। अरविंद केजरीवाल खुद बताएं आज उन्होंने ये क्या नया खेल खेला है। दिल्ली पुलिस से हमारा कहना है कि जिसने भी ये किया है उस पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई हो।
However, the Aam Aadmi Party's India ally, the Congress Party, believes that this attack could be staged by the Aam Aadmi Party itself in order to gain attention of the media and the public ahead of the upcoming elections.
जो नेता बाहर निकलते हैं, बेशक जनता को पूरा हक बनता है कि वो अपनी जो कंप्लेंट्स हैं, अपनी जो दुख है उसको दर्शा सकें, पर इस तरीके से जो व्यक्तिगत हमला करते हैं ये बिल्कुल गलत है। इसकी मैं कड़ी निंदा करती हूं। परंतु जो अभी हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस देखा और जो इस वाक्य को इतनी बड़ी घटना बताई जा रही है कि जानलेवा हमला हुआ है, स्पिरिट फेंका गया है, तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि हो सकता है, क्योंकि हमने पास्ट में भी देखा है कि शायद ये खुद से भी आम आदमी पार्टी ने किया हो ताकि चर्चा में रहें। चुनाव आ रहे हैं तो आप जानते हैं कि चुनाव के वक्त तो चर्चा में रहना जरूरी है।
However, the other India allies have also mounted the offensive on the NDA and are almost certain that this attack was orchestrated by the BJP itself.
राजनीति में हिंसा की कोई भी जगह नहीं है और जो वहां पर हुआ है जांच करनी चाहिए। और अगर एक चीज और मैं बोल रहा हूं आपसे, अगर फेयर जांच हुआ तो वो जो व्यक्ति होगा जरूर संघ और भाजपा से जुड़ा हुआ होगा, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो समाज को बांटना काटना भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही करती है और संघ के लोग करते हैं।
My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, time and again, Arvind Kejriwal has been attacked yet again when a Padyatra was carried out. Arvind Kejriwal coming under attack. The politics of it going on over the incident. But what are the details of the attacker? He has now been taken into custody. What really happened? What do we know of the attacker?
Yes, Pratibha, yesterday at about 5:30 p.m. while Kejriwal had taken out Padyatra, that was the time while he was meeting with the people and shaking hands with the people behind the cordon. That was the time when one person came, splashed liquid on Kejriwal, and later on Kejriwal and the security personnel were seen wiping their face, and finally after that they overpowered this man. He has been arrested and he's being right now questioned. Though the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that he is a BJP worker, they are showing his Facebook account, but so far as the police is concerned, they have already made it clear that they are questioning him. They are saying that he is a bus marshal at Kanpur depot, and they are trying to find out what was the motive behind this attack, why he has done so. But we have already seen that war of words and the blame game has already started. Aam Aadmi Party is blaming BJP for orchestrating this attack, while BJP and the allies are saying that it is Kejriwal who has stage managed, because in the past also he has done this thing when made somebody splash ink on him or made somebody slap him. That's what they are saying. They are saying that because Kejriwal has failed to keep the promises made to the people, and that's one of the reasons now to garner kind of a support and sympathy where he has orchestrated stage managed this attack so that he can get sympathy, and that way he will be able to get votes. But so far as the BJP, as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they are saying the law and order situation has deteriorated. If in Delhi the former Chief Minister is not safe, who else is going to be safe? Because they are trying to put blame on Amit Shah, Home Minister, because they are saying police is under the control of Home Minister and he should have ensured the proper security, and off and on we have seen that there had been several attacks in the city. That's one of the reasons that the Kejriwal had taken out the rally. He was trying to generate awareness and also trying to tell people that how this government, the BJP government has failed in keeping law and order situation under control. So war of words is continuing, but the investigation part is that they are right now trying to investigate. They have tried to find out who this man is. He has been identified as Ashok Jha. They are trying to find out what was the motive behind it. But some people, so the BJP says it was basically an outrage and anger against Kejriwal government, because Kejriwal had made so many tall promises during election, and now another election is coming and he has failed to keep all those promises. That's one of the reasons that in anger he had thrown liquid, but they are also condemning this attack. This thing should not have happened, because otherwise it is going to set a very wrong precedent. The war of word between the two political parties analyze continuing. Let's see what actually will be the outcome of this investigation. But right now the police is trying to find out what is the motive. They are also trying to find out whether he has done it at somebody's behest, or he was acting alone of his own, trying to target Kejriwal with the liquid, sending a message that he was angry, or he was trying to show any kind of an outrage.
Okay, all right. Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details. We come back to you for updates on that story. Clearly, the war of words over it still continuing, with the Aam Aadmi Party saying that it is done at the behest of the BJP, while the BJP says that this is public anger. With that, we're